In this video, today we will talk about how to earn money from cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary force in the financial world, providing numerous avenues for individuals to earn money. Whether you're an experienced investor or a newcomer, the world of digital currencies offers diverse opportunities to generate income. Here are 10 ways you can earn money from cryptocurrency. 1. Buying and holding, HODLing. One of the most straightforward ways to earn money from cryptocurrency is by buying and holding, often referred to as HODLing. This strategy involves purchasing a cryptocurrency and holding onto it for an extended period, typically years, in anticipation of its value appreciating. Early adopters of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies have reaped substantial profits by following this approach. The success of HODLing hinges on patience and a long-term perspective. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, with prices capable of significant fluctuations within short periods. However, those who can withstand the market's ups and downs often find that the value of their holdings increases over time, potentially leading to substantial returns. 2. Cryptocurrency trading. For those who prefer a more active approach, cryptocurrency trading offers another way to earn money. Unlike HODLing, trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies over shorter timeframes, such as hours, days, or weeks, to profit from market fluctuations. Traders typically analyze market trends, study charts, and use various strategies to predict price movements. Cryptocurrency trading can be highly lucrative, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and the ability to make quick decisions. The volatility that characterizes cryptocurrencies can work to a trader's advantage if they can accurately predict price movements. However, the risks are equally high, making it essential to have a well-thought-out strategy and risk management plan. 3. Staking. Staking is a process that allows cryptocurrency holders to earn rewards by participating in the operation of a blockchain network. In proof-of-stake (POS) blockchains, validators are chosen to create new blocks and validate transactions based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. In return, they earn staking rewards, typically in the form of the native cryptocurrency. Staking can be an attractive option for those who prefer a more passive income stream. The process is relatively simple. You lock up your coins in a wallet or on a platform that supports staking, and you earn rewards over time. The returns vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the staking period, but they can be quite profitable, especially with newer POS projects. 4. Yield farming. Yield farming is another method to earn money from cryptocurrency, particularly within the decentralized finance (DeFi) sector. It involves lending or staking your cryptocurrency in DeFi protocols to earn interest, fees, or new tokens. Yield farming typically requires users to provide liquidity to decentralized exchanges or lending platforms, where they are rewarded for their contributions. Market volatility, smart contract vulnerabilities, and project failures can lead to losses. Therefore, yield farming is best suited for those who have a good understanding of DeFi and are comfortable with the associated risks. 5. Mining. Cryptocurrency mining involves using computational power to solve complex mathematical problems, which in turn validate transactions on a blockchain network. Miners are rewarded with newly created coins for their efforts. Bitcoin mining is the most well-known example, but there are many other cryptocurrencies that can be mined. The profitability of mining is also influenced by factors such as the cryptocurrency's price, the network's difficulty, and the cost of electricity. As such, mining is often more suitable for those with technical expertise and access to affordable energy. 6. Cryptocurrency lending. Cryptocurrency lending is an increasingly popular way to earn passive income. It involves lending your digital assets to borrowers through centralized or decentralized platforms in exchange for interest payments. The interest rates on crypto loans are typically higher than those offered by traditional financial institutions, making it an attractive option for earning passive income. However, there are risks involved, such as the potential for borrowers to default on their loans or the platform to experience security breaches. To mitigate these risks, it is crucial to use reputable platforms and understand the terms and conditions before lending your assets. 7. Earning through airdrops. Airdrops are a unique way to earn cryptocurrency, often used by blockchain projects to distribute free tokens to users as part of a marketing campaign or to reward loyal community members. To receive airdrops, you typically need to hold a specific cryptocurrency in your wallet or perform certain tasks, such as following the project's social media channels or participating in its community. Others may be less valuable or even become worthless if the project fails. Nonetheless, participating in airdrops can be a low-risk way to accumulate cryptocurrency and potentially profit in the future. 8. Participating in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, and token sales offer opportunities to invest in new cryptocurrency projects at an early stage. Investors purchase tokens at a set price during the ICO, with the expectation that the project's success will lead to an increase in the token's value. ICOs gained popularity during the 2017 crypto boom, and while they have become less common, they remain a viable way to earn money from cryptocurrency. However, this method also carries substantial risks. Many ICOs have turned out to be scams or failed projects, leading to significant losses for investors. Therefore, thorough research and due diligence are essential before participating in any ICO or token sale. 9. Becoming a blockchain developer. With the rapid growth of the cryptocurrency industry, there is a high demand for skilled blockchain developers. By learning blockchain development, you can capitalize on this demand by working on projects, developing decentralized applications, dApps, or even creating your own cryptocurrency. Blockchain developers are among the highest paid professionals in the tech industry, and the demand for their skills is only expected to increase. While this path requires significant effort and dedication, it can be highly rewarding both financially and intellectually. 10. Creating and selling NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have exploded in popularity, offering a new way to earn money from cryptocurrency. NFTs are unique digital assets that can represent anything from artwork and music to virtual real estate and collectibles. Creators can mint their work as NFTs and sell them on various marketplaces, often for substantial sums. The NFT market has opened up new opportunities for artists, musicians, and content creators to monetize their work in ways that were previously impossible. However, the market is highly speculative, and the value of NFTs can fluctuate dramatically. Success in this space requires creativity, a strong online presence, and an understanding of the NFT market dynamics. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.